All right, let's try number 1 on our worksheet. If you got this wrong, hopefully this video will help. I'm going to identify this angle right here. We have an angle. This angle is given to us. Now, from the perspective of this angle, 11 is on the opposite side of this triangle, so this would be the opposite side. The x, in this case, it wouldn't be called the adjacent side because when we're talking about a side, we're talking about one of these two legs. Since the right angle is here, x would have to be the hypotenuse. Now, of our three trig functions, sine, cosine, and tangent, the one that uses the opposite and the hypotenuse is our sine function. So we're going to write sine, and we're going to put the angle right here, equals the opposite, in this case it's 11, over the hypotenuse, which is x. Now when I go to solve this, the way that I'm going to solve this is I'm going to take this denominator, and this number over here, this represents a number, sine 66. And I taught you a shortcut where these could trade places. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to keep my 11 right where it's at. In the denominator, instead of having x, I'm going to have the sine of 66. Over here, I'm going to have my x. So now I can plug this into my calculator. So let me grab my calculator here. So I'm going to do 11 divided by the sine of 66. I get 12.04, so if I'm rounding it off to the nearest tenth, it'd be 12.0. And that is my answer to number 1.